Hi, I am so happy to share a little bit about this. Truly, I have had so many holidays that I feel like I've been pulling my hair out and the stress builds up. Well, first of all, let's take a step back. All the holiday season starts with fun and joy, and just like there's so much excitement around it. I mean, my kids are always excited for the holiday break, then Thanksgiving, and then Christmas, and I am all about it. I feel like embracing the holiday season, truly feeling like it's going to be all about family and being together and just taking the time slow. But reality hits most of us. And a lot of times the holiday can bring us a lot of stress. And I truly don't want to associate holiday and stress, but truly it does happen. We feel overwhelmed. Our list continues to grow with even more things that we have to do. It's like, oh, now I have to plan a Thanksgiving dinner. I have to grocery shop. I'm going to have 10 people at my house. Or all of a sudden, Christmas lists start to come up for Black Friday, and I have to shop for all these people. And then it's just overwhelming. And then I have work, and how am I going to get the time off? When I'm going to spend time with my kids? The kids are going to be off school. They're going to get a break. They're expecting to spend time with me. They're expecting to have fun vacation. They're expecting for us to do things during their breaks. All those things build up overwhelm and stress. And then, let alone, of course, you're going to have a lot of fun social gatherings. A lot of offices are going to throw some events. You're going to have holiday dinners, or friends are going to have you over for holiday dinners, or you might be throwing your own holiday dinner. So, I wanted to share some really easy steps that we're going to walk through my workshop and defy the holiday. Beat the holiday stress, avoid feeling all overwhelmed and stressed during the holidays. These tips are going to be what you're going to hold yourself to it. For the next, I think we have about 50 days until the holiday, until the end of the year. Staying true to yourself. These tips are going to support you so that you do feel like you can take on the holidays. You're not feeling overwhelmed and stressed. And talk about eating. Eating is such a big part of holidays. We start to munch on things, we start to drink, and all the other foods that are available, chocolate, candy, and sweets, and all the salty deliciousness. All these things that all of a sudden we start to feel yucky and crummy and tired and sluggish because our bodies is all of a sudden taking all this other added sugar and processed foods that are not really good for us. So, a couple tips we're going to share in this workshop. I can't wait for you to join us. It's going to be amazing. So, please drop a note, workshop. I'll send you the link and then let me know as soon as you're ready and we'll get started. I can't wait to hear from you.